Thank you for all your questions, including about the knife, salt, and more. Today we are introducing the kitchen tools we use. This is the ponyo flag for the ponyo ramen we made today. This is the flag of Japan. Thank you for joining today's live stream. The ponyo ramen was really delicious. First, this cutting board. This is a TAKEMI cutting board. It's made of bamboo and very convenient. Water doesn't stay on it, and it dries quickly. I really love it. Kitchen tools in this video are linked in the description. I mostly buy them on Amazon Japan, so it might be a bit hard to find in your country. Next, this knife from Kai. I chose this one because the cat design is the cutest. It's easy to use and very sharp. I really like it. This is also a bread knife from Kai. It's from the Nyami series, a cat-themed collection. It cuts really well and I love it. This is a cat-shaped mold from a 100 yen shop. When I use this for rice, it feels like my cat macchou is on the plate. This is a cat finger cap. It's usually used for office work, like turning pages. My fingers tend to get dry, so I use this in videos to keep them looking nice. This is a finger cap from Yoshii, Bussan. This is Miracle Rock Salt from Royal Bath Salt. It's Himalayan rock salt. Just grind it over your food and it tastes amazing. This is whole black pepper from Spice Up. It has a great aroma and makes my cooking feel more authentic. This is a pepper and salt grinder set from Haomacro. Since I started using this, I feel like a chef and it makes me happy. This is the Nyafunyafu kitchen towel from Tea Life. It absorbs the water very well and dries quickly, very convenient. This is a SALUS self-motion oil and vinegar jar from Satokinzoku. With this, you don't need to open or close the lid, so it's really convenient. And it looks very beautiful. This is a dinner cutlery set from Shimomura Kihan. It's from the Nico series. The little smiley face is so cute and it makes me feel relaxed when I use it. That's all for the kitchen items I've been asked about in comments. I run a YouTube channel to share happy, healthy moments with you. These kitchen tools are a big part of my videos. There are still many items I haven't shared yet, so I'll show you more next time. If there's anything you want to know, please leave a comment. And tell me which one you liked. Thank you for always watching my videos and live streams. Let's enjoy a happy, healthy life together. Thank you for watching today's vlog. See you next time.
こうだ。痛いじゃん。